Good afternoon. Today we're going to be making a Discord bot in one of my most favorite languages called Lua. What Lua is a compact dynamic language that personally I would prefer over many other due to the fact of how much I practiced with it. And I feel like it's probably about time I start making videos as well. Even though my name is Pleon Velamis, I am going to be doing tutorials such as these, and hopefully turn this one into a series for people who also only know or have a strong hold for Lua that would like to make a Discord bot at the same time. So we're going to go ahead and start installing. For the installation, we're going to have to use Git. Actually, I haven't done this in a while. Give me a minute. Alright, so I'm moving on. Instead of Love It, because my CMake is horrible, we're going to be using one of the Sinister Rectuses, however you want to pronounce his name. One of his repositories that actually does it for us without the command line. Because I have a 64-bit computer, I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're just going to copy that, and we're going to go ahead and open it. So, I'll be back to you when it's finished installing. Or not. So, we now have the basics of our bot. Well, it's not really the bot, it's more of something that we'll be using for the bot to work and get some particular libraries. So we're going to go and get these libraries now. So we're going to do love it. Wait, no. We're going to do lit install Sinister Rectus /Discordia. That will be the library we are going to be using to make our Discord bot in Lua. Alright, so after that is finished, we can get down to business. So give me a second to open up my Discord developer page. Okay, so first you want to go to the actual website. You're going to make sure you want to log in, so give me a second. I'm not logged in. Oh, I was logged in. I'm just an idiot. Alright, make sure you're logged in. Make sure it says open instead of login on top right. So after it's done that, you want to go to developers in developer portal. Now we're going to go and click create an application. Let's name it tutorial bot. Image, you can choose whatever you want. I'm just going to keep it blank. So we're going to save that. We're going to go ahead and make it a bot. Yes, do it. Alright, so we now have a bot. We're going to go ahead and copy the token. And we're going to go make a invite. We're going to make it admin. Let me go ahead and get a file going really quick. Alright. So you want to go ahead and do that. After you want to click on this link after you select it as a bot. And now we're just going to go ahead and invite it to our bot testing server. Alright. So we should now have a bot. I hid the Discord servers for security and privacy. So we now have the bot. Now we're going to get started on our setup of how we're going to be working on this bot. So we're just going to name this bot.lua. I'm going to go ahead and open it with code. You can use any text editor you would like. It's up to you. I prefer Visual Studio Code due to its style. Alright. Whew. Man, we're getting close to the end of the video, because I'm going to be recording another one right after this, so I can double up. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to get Discordia. Then, what you want to do is declare a client. Alright, so let me open up the Sinister Rectus wiki so I can have it open at all times for any references that you would probably like to know. So we're going to go ahead and do client on message create, that being one of the events for someone sending a message. The message object. So let me go ahead and open up the message object so I can show you the hierarchy. There are quite a bit of properties. So inside a message object, there is created at, ID, timestamp, attachment, attachments, scroll down a bit, author, channel, clean content, edited, timestamp, embeds, guild, link, etc. But the ones we are going to be looking at is channel, content. I'm going to do member and author. We're going to be looking at these three for most of our series. We can... Ooh, is there mentioned users? All of it. I didn't know that. Okay, I'm an idiot. Haha. I just discovered something thanks to the wiki. I will be using that from now on. Alright. So, I just want to separate this. So, oh wait, my bad. We don't want to go upper Pascal and the lower Pascal library. So we're going to do content equals message.content, local member equals message.member, local member ID equals message.member.id. Alright, so we have the basics. So we're going to make a simple command. If message lower equals ping, then message reply pong. I'm going to be using that as well. What I would usually do is message.channel send pong, which seems to be a bad habit due to that being there. So now we have a simple bot set up. What we're going to have to do here, I'm going to open up command prompt. You want to do love it and then your bot file. Oh, my bad. I actually missed something. Then what you want to do is Discordia. No, it's client. Client, run, bot. I forgot it was all capitals or just bot. I think it was that. So so usually for you it would be the bot token right here. But for me, I will be using something to make sure so you guys don't steal my token. So I'll open login.text read. Alright, now let's try that again. Love it bot. There. Now, if we do ping, it's going to error because I realized my mistake. We're going to do that. Ping, pong. Ping, ping, pong. So, we now have the basics set up. I'm definitely going to be posting more tutorials about how to work on this bot, what you can do with it, which is basically anything you can do with Lua, and how we can do it. Now, don't take my words with 100% accuracy, because I am not molded into this library. I've practiced it a bit, well, pretty much a lot, but I never really explored much of the other things you could do with it. So at some point this will be a ride with both of us on it, rather than me being the conductor. So for now, I hope you guys enjoyed. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, and I'll see you next episode.